Smart wall can be flat packed, allowing assembly to take place on site or prefabricated by Rondo and delivered direct to site to speed up installation. For prefabricated option, refer to Step 9 onwards. Step 1. Review the floor plan and count the number of wall panels. Check all wall panels are supplied. Step 2. Lay the wall track on the ground or on an assembly table. Step 3. Pre-assemble the R telescopic stud into the C studs for all the common studs within the wall panel. Ensure the studs are nested web to web. Do not box the studs. Step 4. Place the swaged end of the nested C stud into the base track at the pre-punched locations, as per the wall assembly plan. Step 5. Push the nogging track through the steel studs into the correct position and ensure the dimples line up. Step 6. Place the slotted deflection head track onto the R telescopic steel stud. Step 7. Ensure all the connection points are fitted with a 10-gauge wafer head self-drilling screw. Step 8. Flip the wall panel over and ensure all connection points on the opposite side are screwed off as well. Step 9. Align the wall frame with the floor set out position and anchor it using the approved fittings. Step 10. Slide the head track and telescopic R-stud up to the underside of the slab above. Align the wall panel to the set out and ensure the wall panel is not skewed. Fix the track in position. With approved fasteners at not more than 600mm centres. Check there is more or less. Adjust the R-stud position to maintain this gap as necessary. Step 11. Using 10-gauge wafer head self-drilling screws, fix the R telescopic and C stud together, subject to wall lining conditions. Where the wall is unlined at the splice location, secure the two studs together using 4 10-gauge located in the extreme top and bottom holes. For more information, visit rondo.com.au.